Okay, so this is the reassessment for Newton's second law. It's reassessment number 3. What we have is a North American antelope. It's supposedly the fastest animal in North America. But anyway, it travels with an average acceleration, or constant acceleration of 1.7 meters per second. And what we want to know is how long it takes for the antelope to reach 22 meters per second. What I did first is I wrote down what we know, and that is we know that there's an initial velocity of 0. We're looking for the time it takes to reach a final velocity of 22. We don't know our time, and we know that it moves at a constant acceleration of 1.7 meters per second squared. So we use the equation average acceleration equals the change in velocity over the change in time, otherwise written as Vf minus V initial over Vt. So what I did is I rearranged the equation to solve for t, and I got that change in velocity over acceleration equals the time. And so with that, I found that 22 minus 0 divided by 1.7 came out to be 12.9, about 13 seconds. So it takes about 13 seconds to reach 22 meters per second squared. Also in the equation, we were given the frictional force, and we were asked to find the mass. So once again, I made a little section of what we know, and we know that the force is 78 newtons. We don't know the mass, and we know that the acceleration is 1.7 meters per second squared. So I use the equation force equals mass times acceleration. Once again, rearrange the equation to solve for our mass, and got that force divided by acceleration gives us mass. Then did 78 newtons divided by 1.7 meters per second squared, and got that the mass of the antelope is about 46 kilograms. And that's the equation I did to solve for Newton's second law.